Hello students, today we will see quiz 8, that is India's superlatives, a theme based on beautiful India. So first is Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India, an adherent of Mahatma Gandhi during the non-violent Indian independence movement. The Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India and one of the highest in the world. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth-filled embankment dam on the Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand, India. It is the primary dam of the THDC India Limited and the Tehri Hydroelectric Complex. Phase 1 was completed in 2006. The Indira Gandhi Arena, or officially Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, is located at the Indraprastha Estate in the eastern region of New Delhi. It is the largest indoor sports arena in India and the third largest in Asia. The multipurpose arena is used by tennis club Indian Aces. The Dhola Sadia Bridge, also referred to as the Bhupen Hazarika Setu, is a beam bridge in India, connecting the northeast state of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The bridge spans the Lohit River, a majority tributary of the Brahmaputra River, from the village of Dhola in the south of Sadia to the north. The bridge is the first permanent road connection between the northeast Assam and eastern Arunachal Pradesh. Colonel Chehwang Richen Setu, located between the Karakoram and Chang Chinemo mountain ranges, is a 400-meter long bridge. St. Thomas Cathedral, Mumbai, is the cathedral church of the Diocese of Mumbai of the Church of North India. Named in honor of Saint Thomas the Apostle, the cathedral is located in the historic center of Mumbai, Horniman Circle, and is close to Flora Fountain and Bombay House. Hirakud Dam is built across the Mahanandi River about 15 kilometers from Sambalpur in the state of Odisha in India. Behind the dam extends a lake, Hirakud Reservoir, 55 kilometers long. It is one of the first major multi-purpose river valley projects started after India's independence. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Tunnel, also known as the Shyama Tunnel and formerly known as the Chennai Nashri Tunnel, is a road tunnel in the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir on National Highway 44. The work was started in 2011 and was inaugurated on 2nd April 2017 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sri Shanmukanand Hall was founded in 1952 and is inaugurated in 1963 by the Bombay Governor Dr. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The auditorium has been the stage for not only some of the India's greatest classical performance but also for the noted international artists. The Indian Museum in Kolkata, West Bengal, India, also refers to as the Imperial Museum at Calcutta in colonial era texts, is the ninth oldest museum of the world, oldest museum in India, and the largest museum in India. Thank you.